Hello guys of Quinning Games. Today we have two special guests. I only know one one from Minecraft, but say your names, guys. Okay, and in Golden Craft, um in Golden Craft, some team king is the king of Centropia, and uh I just have some troops with the king, but he's gonna kill me if I don't do work. Hmm, that's weird. And that was it. Bye.